Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the IS Companion. Today, we will delve into the concept of attitudes in psychology, exploring their definitions, characteristics, components, and the connection between attitudes and behavior. Understanding attitudes is essential for grasping how individuals interact with the world around them, respond to various stimuli, and ultimately shape their behavior. 1. Definition of attitudes. Newcomb's definition: according to Newcomb, an attitude is a learned, enduring predisposition to respond consistently in either a favorable or unfavorable manner toward objects, events, or persons. This definition highlights the learned nature of attitudes and their role in shaping consistent responses. Crutchfield's perspective. Crutchfield adds that attitudes are intertwined with perceptual processes, influencing how individuals interpret and respond to different aspects of their world. 2. Characteristics of attitudes. Result of learning. Attitudes are not innate but are learned through experience, education, and socialization. Enduring and stable. Once formed, attitudes tend to be stable and long lasting, influencing behavior over extended periods. Involvement of individuals and groups. Attitudes are held by individuals but can also be shared by groups, reflecting collective perceptions and values. Variation in degree. Attitudes can vary in intensity, from strong to weak, affecting the degree to which they influence behavior. Expression through verbal and nonverbal behavior. Attitudes are often expressed through both verbal statements and nonverbal cues, such as facial expressions and body language. Subjective experience. Attitudes are linked to an individual's subjective experience, reflecting personal beliefs and feelings. Evaluative judgment. Attitudes involve an evaluative component, where individuals assess objects, events, or persons as favorable or unfavorable. Amplifiers of subject-object relationships. Attitudes can amplify the relationship between the subject, the individual, and the object, the target of the attitude. Cognitive, affective, and behavioral components. Attitudes encompass cognitive, beliefs, affective, emotions, and behavioral, action tendencies, components, forming a comprehensive response system. 3. Components of attitudes. Attitudes are typically composed of 3 interrelated components. Cognitive component. This involves the beliefs and thoughts an individual has about an object, event, or person. It represents the rational aspect of attitude formation. Affective component. The emotional response or feelings toward the object, event, or person. This component reflects the individual's emotional reaction, which can be positive, negative, or neutral. Behavioral component. The action tendency or the way an individual is inclined to act toward the object, event, or person. This component translates attitudes into observable behavior. 4. Attitude-behavior association. Understanding the relationship between attitudes and behavior is crucial in psychology. Several key studies and theories have explored this link. Lapierre's study, 1934. Lapierre conducted a study on the relationship between expressed attitudes and actual behavior. His findings revealed a discrepancy between what people say they would do and what they actually do, highlighting the complexity of the attitude-behavior relationship. Diefler and Vesti's research. These researchers focused on the consistency between attitudes and behaviors, emphasizing that behavior may not always align with stated attitudes due to various intervening factors. Fishbane and Udjain's theory of reasoned action. 1967. Fishbane proposed that behavior is directly influenced by an individual's intention to perform the behavior, which is, in turn, shaped by their attitude toward the behavior and subjective norms. 5. Theories explaining the attitude-behavior link. 2 prominent theories have been developed to explain the relationship between attitudes and behavior. Theory of reasoned action, TRA, proposed by Fishbane and Udjain, This theory suggests that behavioral intentions are the best predictors of actual behavior. Intentions are influenced by attitudes toward the behavior and subjective norms. Theory of planned behavior, TPB, an extension of the TRA. The theory of planned behavior includes the additional factor of perceived behavioral control. This theory posits that along with attitudes and subjective norms, the perceived ease or difficulty of performing the behavior, behavioral control, also influences intentions and behavior. Conclusion. In summary, attitudes are powerful psychological constructs that play a significant role in shaping behavior. They are learned, enduring, and multifaceted, involving cognitive, affective, and behavioral components. The link between attitudes and behavior is complex, with various theories and studies offering insights into how attitudes influence actions. Understanding these dynamics is essential for anyone interested in the field of psychology, as it provides a foundation for exploring how individuals interact with the world and make decisions. Thank you for your attention. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.